Are you a distributor looking for a one-stop shop for all your PPE safety products? Are you looking to reduce your purchasing costs and compete against other suppliers in the market? Are you frustrated with your local supplier? Welcome to RONCO's C3 program. Customize, combine, and create your own container program. RONCO's manufacturing ships products from our different factories: gloves, hearing protection, eye protection, and more, to RONCO Consolidation Warehouse in China, where products are combined together in a container that is shipped directly to your facility anywhere in the world. What does that mean for you? Efficient sourcing with competitive prices, shorter lead time, 5 weeks from order to delivery. Improving your inventory turns RONCO's trusted quality of product. RONCO's head, hand, and body protection products are your guarantee of quality and help you gain larger market shares for higher profitability. Contact us today to learn more. Email: contact us at roncosafety.com. Website: roncosafety.com.